Come test drive the 2025 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It is the hardest working truck in tow business. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, steel wheels, LED headlights, privacy glass, engine block heater, fog lamps. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.